It's the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the last day of July. I'm Donovan Neal. A cold front that came through yesterday brought a more tolerable kind of hot to North Texas and the rest of the Texas region that will be lasting for a few days before we go back to regular, routine summertime weather next week. So here's the upper air look across the nation this morning. We have that upper high that's still in the Four Corners region near the California area. That's still lying in the western United States. Up here we have a trough that's basically over the Midwest region and much of the Central Plains. That's bringing a little bit of cooler weather to our area. Like I said, more tolerable kind of hot with highs closer to 90 degrees. Take a look across the watch warning map. We have flash flood watches in effect for the northern 2/3 of Georgia and parts of the Carolinas and parts of southern Virginia. But down here in North Texas, we remain quiet. On the convective outlooks, we have a marginal risk for severe storms for parts of Arizona and New Mexico, and much of the deep south and some of the mid-Atlantic states, and also some parts of the high plains as well. On day 2, same thing, marginal risk for severe storms for parts of the Panhandles, New Mexico, and parts of the northeastern United States, and also parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, and northern Iowa. And on day 3, risk for thunder for some parts of the nation, but no organized severe weather is expected. And notice on all 3 of these days, North Texas stays mostly dry. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Heavier totals remain out to the east. Down here, nothing for North Texas. We might see maybe a brief isolated shower or storm develop, but that's really about it. And now on the tropics, nothing new. It's a new day, but old forecast. No tropical cyclone activity expected for the next 48 hours to 5 days. So let's go on to the model output. This is the 06Z run of the GFS valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. You can see that troughing in the Midwest down here. That we still have some subsidence from that cold front, and we'll see maybe down to our south we'll see some scattered a few isolated showers or storms this afternoon. As a result of that, again, it'll still be hot, but more tolerable kind of hot. Highs will be in the low 90s with a mix of sun and clouds. Wednesday, tomorrow, the first day of August, we pretty much clear out with an upper high basically developing over parts of the Midwest, lower Midwest. Highs will be in the low to mid 90s. Same thing on Thursday, and same thing on Friday. Again, we stay mostly sunny, dry. Highs will be in the mid 90s with lows in the mid 70s. And here Saturday as the weekend begins. Saturday we really don't change much in terms of our current weather pattern. Again, very typical, mostly sunny, dry. Highs in the mid to upper 90s. And we pretty much stay the same on Sunday as well. And here's Monday of next week. Monday, not much changing here in our current weather pattern. We stay mostly sunny, dry, highs in the upper 90s. And here's a week from today, Tuesday, the 7th of August, 594 heat ring encompassing much the south central and southeastern 2/3 of the country. Down here, we stay dry as a result of that meter high. Highs will be in the triple digits by that point. And notice how the deep south stays dry at this time as well, where they usually have scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday, the 9th of August. 594 heat rings still encompassing parts of the Great Lakes as well. And down here, we still stay quiet as a result of that. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, we get relief. Like I said before, we get relief from the heat this week. Well, yeah, mainly this week, and then after the weekend, as we transition back to Monday, we slowly go back to that triple-digit heat, which at this time of the year, we're early August, early to mid-August. That's really typical for this time of the year. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll run it in the blog. Next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock this afternoon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.